Good morning, everyone. Good evening. Welcome back to the Price of Patience. As you can see today, this video is not sponsored yet by CapCut, but we are working on it. How are you all doing? I hope you had an amazing Tuesday. And we are ready to rock and roll again. As always, we're gonna start with some TA. Let's cover some price action from yesterday. We had some nice, very, very nice trading yesterday. We shorted the initial rundown here, around here, and we marked some levels which were pretty much hit to the downside, back to the upside, and we are back down again right now. So let me go on 5 minutes quickly, just to go quickly through yesterday's trading session that we had. I believe we shorted this part here, and if when we look to the left, we had those two levels that we marked this week here, and then this support resistance level. Those were 27,907 and 27,834. And what do you know? After the stream, we came down exactly in the zone that we marked, filled it. We had a nice bounce, and then New York Open, we had a dump. We hit that naked weekly point of control that I had here for weeks at 27,706. I believe Donovan and Carlos called 600 something. That was also hit, and then if you were here yesterday, you remember Donovan expected 28,200 yesterday, and only thing we were expecting maybe a push up before we dumped, but we dumped and then we came up to more or less 200. Fun fact, actually, we rejected 177, which is almost 180s, and we always speak about 80s and 20s levels. So that was, I would say, spot on. And for now, it seems we will go a little bit lower. I'm gonna go quickly to 4 hours. Donovan yesterday covered the bigger time frame, so that's clear. He can talk you through that in a couple of minutes. We also mentioned that we have all of these lows here that look like they want to get taken, because very often we just sweep this kind of liquidity here. Plus we have two more naked weekly point of controls here. So weekly point of control that was not touched at 27 and 26,771, and we said based on Donovan's QQQ TA, we might even hit 25, dip below 25K. So far, so good. We are going down, but let's see where we're gonna actually find the bottom. I will adjust this volume profile here to the current price action just to see what's happening. We are actually approaching a bigger volume zone here, as we can see. Now the question is, how much will this hold? Are the buyers willing to protect this zone and make sure that we bounce from here? So will the 27K, maybe a little bit lower, be the bottom, or we're gonna lose that? And if we're gonna lose that, based on my experience, when we have this kind of a low volume like here, and then another two big low volume nodes, we could potentially see just a straight move down to around 25K, and then we form the bottom. Know that we have FOMC today, so that will be probably today is gonna be volatile most probably. So let's see how this will go. Right now, I'm gonna zoom in to 30 minutes right now, and we are coming down. So since yesterday's move up, we came down to revisit the lows. Let me just check 1 hour. I will mark even here the rejection point was at the week 1 hour wick here. So I noticed lately that NQ likes to revisit those wicks and then have a reaction. So let's see if we're gonna have a reaction here, or this will be just um, local bounce, or we might see a bigger move up and we can form some kind of a double bottom here. Market cipher bid, I mean, we are coming down. Market cipher B is making higher lows on the momentum wave, so nothing clear here on 1 hour. 2 hours is also not very clear at the moment. 30 minutes, if I'm honest, this looks a little bit more bearish than bullish. We had a nice trigger wave for the downside. We are coming down. RSIs still have room to come down a little bit more. So let's see if we're gonna short the bottom again or we're gonna have a bounce. I don't have anything more specific at this point. I don't know if you saw something going on.
All right, for me, I agree. I mean, it's pretty clear we're coming down. It's not really a question of if we're coming down. I'll
How
do a quick
much?
little swap. Exactly. It's how much we're coming down tonight and where are we going to enter. So to answer that, let's look at kind of the profile here and just I mean, Nasdaq and QQQ are pretty much the same, but
Mhm.
but QQQ has its own little thing. So we're gonna check this out just really quick here. And the first thing I want to look at is I'm keeping an eye on this fib, and I'm doing a fresh one every day just to see where is the 31.6. I think we're finally past it because that's a good indicator of are we actually still bullish? Is there anyone who's still bullish out there? And I think I have changed my tune as far as the whole this is a bull flag. I think we're kind of past this being a bull flag at this point. I think, but hold on. Why does it treat me like a stepchild here? Doesn't want to let me be great. Here we go. Okay, maybe. Maybe. I thought it was going to talk about. Here we go. Okay, we don't need that or this. And we can leave that. And we want this to be gold. Why isn't it set like that, right? And this to be green. And you can be blue. Sure, sure, you can be blue. All right, so the 60,
Blue.
61.8, all right? That's that. But I don't even think it changed to green. Okay. Well, whatever's clever. But yeah, this is going to be the 31.8, and we really just wicked right at the 31.8, as you can see. So we're trying to stay bullish. Today was the day we tried to stay bullish on the as of the close of New York. But as of now, if we get a little more in tune, if we get a little closer, we'll see that we dipped back below the 31.8 and now we're in
Mm-hmm.
a bearish zone. So this today, like we're literally at the time where we have confirmed that we are not holding where the bulls needed to hold in order to call this bullish. All right, we are in bear territory heading towards the potential correction, which is why we talked yesterday about a potential 80-point drop on the Qs, an 80-point drop starting from kind of like this original breakdown. As soon as we pulled back, I'd start it from up here. So I think we're looking at a drop to 600 or even potentially the 550s when we zoomed out. But okay, where are we going today? Because I mean, Nick kind of went over most of everything already. So if we're looking at today, we're making a little bit of an adjustment. So we need to zoom out to the 4 hour, maybe even the 8 hour if you want to do that. But let's start with the four, where
Can I
you can
ask you
kind of see.
something? I'm sorry to
Yeah,
interrupt you. I'm
yeah,
very
you're fine.
sorry. So you're talking about this 31833, what you said, 30 point what fib,
Yep.
and with the same pole, where is the 618?
The 618 would be a little further down.
Yeah, is that a nice confluence with the level that we talked about yesterday, maybe? That's what I'm
Six.
thinking. That's why I'm
Well,
asking.
well, the 50% is at 650.89, and then the 61.8 is at 628.25.
Okay, so a
It's
little bit
it's kind
lower.
of its own.
Mm,
It's, yeah, it's a little lower. It's kind of its own
okay,
thing, but
okay.
it does line up with the consolidation area. So you kind of
Mm,
see that we are probably going to pause there. But I just feel like if you look at the volume profile, it's really pulling us closer to the 50.
mm.
I feel like the 50% is can almost
Yeah, and
guarantee
on
something
Q's
there, but
actually 50% was respected also more often than some other tickers like MQ or BTC.
right, you
Okay,
know.
okay. Thank you
Um,
for checking that.
yeah, no problem. It looks like we want to push back to these 690s, but we already did. We already did. So now we're just on a dissension down. Where is the next big pull? Using the volume profile from when we were most recently in this area, the next big pull is bringing us to the 650. So that's right around that 50% mark. So I really feel like we did talk yesterday about the weekly expected move kind of being right around here, the 650s. So 654 is really the next target. It's not if we're gonna get there, it's when are we gonna get there. Um, so let's see, where can we enter a trade if we wanted to target that for this week? Let's maybe go to the 2 hour and just see recently where's the volume profile going to pull us to. So we're looking at, I think we might have already touched on it, but 677, it seems to be, if we zoom in and you kind of see that we did play around that 670 area all day today in New York session. And now we're kind of breaking down from that. So you have to ask yourself, did we retest it? So let's go ahead to the 15 minute and see, did we get a solid, okay, that's the 15 second. Did we get a solid retest of this zone that we were consolidating in? And you could say, okay, I see a magnet here. So what I want to look for at this point is there anything that's unrepaired that we need to go and fix before we can drop, right? So the first thing I see is this big volume node here at 676 coincides with the triple candles, kind of open close around the same area. So I feel like it makes sense for price to come up here again. So we're not done visiting this area. I don't know if it's going to be at New York Open or if we're going to see it tonight, but we need to come back here. Number one. Number two, we need to come back here to this evening star and just retest this
Oh, bro, you here? Oh, okay, okay. We lost Donovan. Let me change this. Let me fix this, please, for a second. Let me fix this for a moment. His device probably got disconnected, guys. I am disconnect. I'm trying to reach him. Guys, a little bit patience, please. We're gonna fix this. Lost, Bro. Hang on. Let's try to reach him, guys. I'm coming home. Does he sees it? Bro, your device got disconnected from the Zoom. We don't hear you. We don't hear you. Mayday, mayday. Houston, we have a problem. Okay, okay. Can you hear me now? I don't think so. If you haven't heard the music yesterday from the mic, then you probably they probably don't hear you, but they still hear me. So yeah. Okay. Yeah, I definitely went silent there. I'm just gonna bring my phone over. Mm-hmm. Turn it back on over here. But yeah, I mean, just I would just say let them know that we had this one section here that we were looking at, and yeah, I did switch it. Okay, the triple candle close here is the one section that we're interested in going in at, and then that's around 27,980, and then section two. Okay. It's right here at 27. You can call it 27,880. I'd really be happier at 890. 27, 890, 980. Yeah, 980. I see that. That's probably, yeah, that's doable. So this is where we're looking for a retracement first. We're gonna look for. Come on. Brother just went through the village at 6:30 in the morning, like it's a midday, bro. What an alarm. Okay. I don't know if you guys heard that, but this was rejoining the Zoom. Okay, okay. Thank you, thank you. Oh, let's just make sure we close the Discord call. Call. There we go. All right, so we are back. We are back. We are back. Lost a little bit of audio there. Okay. Just one before you go, it still says that you're in a call on Discord. Just FYI. Let me close it so yeah, someone doesn't hop in Discord and see. All right. So now, all right, cool. So yeah, here we go. We lost sound, but we're back. Welcome back. We're back. Thanks. All right. So anyway, was identifying a couple of zones that we actually want to enter our trade, right? So we have kind of a zone that's going to become a magnet, and I really like this one here at 27,880. Really, I like 27,890 a little better. I'll be honest. I don't like the 80s anymore. We're gonna have to like just squeeze up into the 90s a little because we have this confluence with this little wick here and this candle body close and then these three candles. I think we really want to come to like maybe 27, 8, and 90 is really my target. I know it's above the 80s, but I don't care. I think that's a great one. We're probably gonna have a reaction here, but we could go higher. And if we do, then we're looking for 27,980. So this is two trades that we can take back to back that would most likely pay. Now we can also get paid on the way up. There is a trend line. Yeah, there's a trend line, right? Yeah, let me zoom out. Let's zoom out little bit more, a little bit more here. There we go. All right, so there's a trend line here, and when we break it, it's a good time to go long and start kind of getting the upside toward these entries. Until then, the short is a continuation. And there's also the possibility that we might not even come up and fix this tonight, just because
All right, come on now. Are you gonna let me be great or no? You don't have to, but I'd appreciate it if you let me be great. Okay, here we go. So yeah, we're seeing this trend line here for this downtrend on the 15 minute. It's pretty strong. Every time we're hitting this trend line, we are continuing to go lower. If we break this trend line, which we just tested it and it perfectly rejected it. If we break this trend line, then it's safe, in my opinion, to go long. And we're going to start to, make our way up to these areas of interest once we break this trend line. But until then, it's a downtrend. So right now we're clear for a continuation. I
Yeah.
argue we can come to like 27,600. All
Mm.
right. And that's our upside entry target, but where's our downside target? So let's back out to that for the evening. Where do we see our downside target? I would say back out. Can we go all the way to 50 something right now? It's the hourly. Um, so the four. Okay, the four is here. Where's our target? Where's our target? Where's our target? Okay. We need to get more data involved.
I went little short.
You're in the short already?
Yeah, I was waiting on 5 minutes to fill this gap to the upside, but it doesn't want it somehow. And we rejected the 14 SMA on the five.
Yeah.
I'm aiming for 620. Probably will close it earlier. Um,
Yeah, if we break through this area, it's going to move pretty fast all the way down here. Okay. So this is where it wants to go. I'd say this is a good target. So let me find that 661 is about 8 points down. Let me find that on NQ. Zoom out to my 4 hour range. Okay, let's see if I can find this target over here.
mhm.
Okay, so we're looking at here. This would be our target, roughly. What do we got going on?
Okay, okay.
What is
We
that?
are moving. Wait, 25. Hey, my goal is 1500. Um,
It's, we got a pretty hefty downside target.
I will close most of my position here. I want to take my profits. I don't want to risk anything. Nice little scalp short. This was nice. Okay, I made yesterday's loss back on this account, so and just a little bit more. The rest is bonus now.
Yeah. Okay, cool. So we're looking at 27,569 for our downside target on NQ.
We just
I guess
hit
that's
it.
a pretty
27,659. You said.
569.
569. My bad. Okay.
Yeah, close. So yeah, we got quite a ways down to go. Um, 559. Got a while to go there, but that's cool.
Okay. 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 We are coming down. That's nice. We have stayed in. Could, should, would doesn't count. I'll secure the comeback, so that's good. As I said, now we play. I have two runners left.
All right, let's see where it takes us.
Wait, Texas. Um, okay, let me see who is in the chat. Nothing. Some Nicholas guy. Where is everyone? Where is everyone? Randall, where are you at?
Hopefully in the
Ah,
quarter of the century, because this thing is just dying.
yep.
So
Bro,
from the top of
it's not,
this,
but it's not that we called it like 2 weeks ago. So
it's nice.
everything. You remember what we were saying 2, maybe even 3 weeks ago? Before that, higher time frame pennant broke out actually to the downside. Downside. This is like we really called everything out quite good. Not that we called I don't know, but our levels were respected more or less on every level. We got some kind of a rejection or a bounce. Um, Direction was right, so I'm happy with what we did. To be honest,
Yeah.
we are in the groove. I'm about to get stopped here in the profit.
Order filled.
Oh,
Yep.
what happened there?
Mm, Nothing on this 5 minute candle. We don't have a upper week, so this might be just we might just make that some kind of a trumpet pattern at the bottom where we go up and down on 5 minutes, and then it will decide um if we're gonna see a bigger push or no before the dump, and we are also at that 1 hour week zone, which usually acts as a support or resistance, but we are at the support. So let's see.
Let's see. I'm short at 73. Um, just following that trend line that we drew, looking for a continuation.
You are on 1 minute, right?
I'm on the 15.
Oh, okay, nice.
I got a trend line on.
Why did I? Oh, yeah. Okay, I see. I see. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, you might be right. You might be very right. I am a little bit careful now. I'm not jumping in right here back again. We have some bull div on 1 minute. Doesn't have to be a lot, but mm,
Yep, doesn't take much. Okay, so let me go Ninja, Apex.
we are rejecting the 80s actually.
Yeah,
Yeah, that's good.
why I got in there because I'm like, oh, the 70s are. If I get in at the 70s, my stop is in the 80s. So let's see,
Oh,
11
this was a spot down, bro. Let's see
Apex
if we're gonna lose this now.
and 324, 7 through 24. Got it. What king back in the day, bro. It's killing it. All right, we're there. We're almost there. I'm almost at my daily profit target for this account.
Let's go. Don't hesitate to take it, bro. Let's
Yeah,
do it.
I'll take some profits and run out of this thing. It's just red candle after red candle. This thing should.
Mhm. And careful, 10 minutes until the 1 a.m. candle. Yesterday, that 1 hour candle from 7 to 8 in the morning for me, 1 to 2 a.m. for you. We got the all move for the 4 hour session, so let's be careful. Oh, wait, by the way, let's put something on our IG.
Wow, that's crazy. Price action can't even move it back up. All right. And is it dying? Is it going to die? Oh, wow.
Stop filled.
Oh,
Oh,
okay.
great.
Okay. I hope you took some profits.
Nope, it took me out.
Ah,
Took me out. I was a little late to the party, but tried to get in. Okay, cool. So I was a little late. Took me. I was a little late to the party, but yeah. Okay, let's should I try this again?
no.
Trying to
Wait
make
now, then wait now. Wait. This is preparation for the next hour. Let's be patient. Let's be patient. I
looks like
mean,
we're flagging here.
yeah, you know what? If you go in, it might go your way very easily. It might stop you again.
It looks like it's trying to go to the 20s or the nine EMA on the 15 or
Yep.
the 20s. But I think what's going to happen is the 9 EMA is going to come down to meet us. But here we are. This is the setup that I was looking for where we broke the trend line. If we close up here, we broke the trend line. So we got to see how the next 10 minutes plays out. But that would mean that we're probably going to retest the trend line and then start to head towards those areas of interest that we talked about.
And now this, yeah, 20s. This might be the support. Look at it on. I'm on 15 seconds, but this might give us some kind of a pullback, and then we have to see if the 80s will hold us 680s. If we reject here, I would say if we reject 80s is
Order filled.
our potential bounce zone if we're gonna bounce, or this might be a rejection zone where we might reject and come lower. I don't feel confident though to play anything at this given moment. Let's see how this will play out. Oh, but this 5 minute candle looks juicy right now. Let's see. This is 10-minute 9 EMA right here. And yeah, 15 is just a little bit above us, so let's see. And we just took the previous 30-minute candle high, so let's see. We took with this 30-minute candle, we swapped the low of the previous candle, and now we took the high of the previous candle. So definitely we are trying to decide uh, what we're gonna do. 15 seconds bull flagging, approaching the 9 EMA. Let's see if we're gonna push. We might see a push here. There we go. There we go.
Stop filled.
Yeah.
No, and if you look on 15 seconds, those 40s, where is the 15-minute 9 EMA? That was a support like 3 times a little bit earlier before we dropped down. So, yeah, let's see.
Let's see. Yeah, that was interesting, nice little push. So, yeah, we broke the trend line. It's time to start looking for
Longs,
longs.
I think, yeah.
Mhm. But I think we're gonna come and retest the bottom before we do the long. But who knows?
Look, in this pattern, we might do that, but again, if we come down to the 80s, that would be like a midpoint of that range consolidation that we did on the at the bottom. So I would expect that 80s hold too if we want to see a push.
Mhm.
Um, but yeah, I see couple of scenarios here.
Order filled.
We continue pushing right now, and then we're gonna come lower. We dip down in next 5 minutes, and then we bounce from the 80s, and we continue for our session at least next hour or two to the upside. Or okay, the third option is obvious that we just reject hard here somewhere, and we just go like our 20s. Now we are already at 30s, so maybe 40s, 50s, and then we reject. Mm,
Keep pushing. So I think it's time.
we are pushing, yeah.
Is it even gonna? I was thinking we're gonna the pullback before we go on, but maybe.
In 5 minutes, if we're gonna see, so that's also a possibility. We are starting to push.
Stop filled.
New hourly candle will open. We're gonna see some kind of a pullback again, potentially 80s, 680s, and then we continue. Or if we push hard next 5 minutes, we might come down to retest the 720s and then continue. Because we just went through the 20s like they were not there. Wow, here we go. 740s, nice. Wow, whoa.
Okay, so this is the 9 EMA on the 15th.
15, yeah.
Order filled.
And 5 minutes to close. So let's see.
All right, got a quick little pop. Got 53. Let's see how much it's going to take us down. Or will we just push right through to the 80s? Very possible. But I'm really expecting just a quick reject. You know, to at least retest the midsection of this, but you might want to wait until like 1 o'clock.
Yeah. But people are driving like crazy so early in the morning. What's happening?
What's
It's gonna
happening?
be, but people are driving crazy through the village, 7 in the morning.
Oh yeah.
It's gonna be an interesting day.
All right, there we go.
Mm.
Got 10 points. All right, had 10 points. It came and went very quickly. Okay, price is eager to continue upwards. Reject was short lived. Let's see. Here it is again. Same area is getting a lot of buyers stepping up. If it can't hold, it can't hold. We'll close it. Okay. All right. We got
You scalp the short?
in it. I'm about to scalp. About to scalp. There.
Order filled.
That. Man, 15 points.
Not bad.
Something. Get back my loss. I was really hoping to see us retest the 20s so I can go long there, but
Give it a couple of minutes and look at that 1 hour. If it closes like this is gonna be a bullish next 1 hour candle.
oh yes.
Lovely.
Yeah, I agree. I think we're going towards oh fuck. All right. Well, I erased my areas of interest because I closed all open orders, but I know where they're at. We're looking at 27,880 and 28,880.
28.
28,880 for
Oh,
first.
wow.
And actually 27, all the 80s for the next couple hundred are on watch. They're all kind of
Mm-hmm.
tagged. So
Mm-hmm.
I think that we might touch one and then come down, touch 180 and then come down, and then get enough momentum to push up through it, and so on and so forth until we reach the top of these 80s, and then we can short. We can short and hold if we can revisit 28,080 like the final boss. But we shouldn't even get there, to be honest. I can't believe this thing just pushing like this. I know when it drops, it's going to drop hard.
Yep. Or again, it will just drop. It will look like it wants to drop hard, and it will be just the wick for the 30-minute and 1 minute candle, and we continue higher. Good morning, everyone. Good evening, everyone. How are you all doing?
I hope everyone's
Don't be lurking over there. Say good morning. Don't be rude.
Don't be rude.
We appreciate you joining.
Absolutely. So we're looking for
Okay, 1 hour candle. It's here. 1 a.m. Candle is open. Let's see what we're gonna do here.
a nice reject off the 15-minute 14 SMA.
Oh yeah, almost, yeah. You're looking NQ or MNQ?
Just
MNQ.
MNQ, yeah.
MNQ.
All right, here we go. Are we going to retest the trend line? Or is the momentum too strong for all that?
Look at the 1 minute 14 SMA. Nice confluence with earlier resistance of all this range. 736. No, wait a minute. 720 exactly, actually.
Order
So I would
filled.
love to long the 720. 20s.
43. Okay, let's see. Is it a scalp or a trade? I think it might be a scalp. I'll take it though. Taking some waves here. Oh, yeah. Okay. I'm into a trade. All right, I might have to leave this alone. Oh, wow, it's just pushing.
Just pushing, huh? 1 minute 9 EMA is holding, it seems.
Yeah, well, I'm gonna
1 minute money floor
Order
is getting
filled.
ready to push too
scalp it. I
on
think
market cipher. This might also be breakout, fake out before the breakout. I don't know. I'm not convinced that I should go along right here, right now. Although we have a nice lower wick on 1 hour. If you take a look, this might be that candle that just goes. Should we give it a go?
yeah, to the downside, there's nothing to repair, so there's
Yep.
like no magnets calling price to come back to. We really swept all the liquidity there is to sweep. We made a lower low, so it could just go from here. But I want to see how it reacts here at the 14 SMA. If we can close above that, then that's kind of showing that the buyers don't need to come back down. The buyers aren't being challenged enough by the sellers to come back down for anything. But I mean, it's cool to be patient. We have hundreds of points above us that we're targeting.
Yeah.
So
Yeah. Well, yeah, while we were discussing our potential entry zones, we are like 60 points out higher. Not 60, but almost. Okay.
yeah, I was long the 40s and I took profit, so it's good. Want to see how we close here on the 15. Because we're in the 80s now. Are we going to reject them? I would think so. Because we're hitting the first liquidity zone at 780. And it's like every 100 points moving up here, we have another liquidity zone to test. And the final boss, the biggest liquidity zone is going to be the 980. 980 is where there was the most volume, the most consolidation. So I feel like we need to sweep that, take it to the 28,000. We might go to 28,080 because there's another liquidity zone there, but they're all repaired, but they could still be revisited. Yeah, I just think we're going there. 2980. Yeah, the sellers are gonna take a stand. This is the place to do it.
I'm short, aiming for the 20s.
Okay. I like it. Good entry. We finally jumped up into that 14-minute SMA. I mean the 15-minute 14 SMA, and
Mm-hmm.
we're pushing, having a nice rejection from there.
Up, 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 up. Where are you going? Okay.
Long way into.
Can say I did not expect that. I'm gonna take my $160 here. I don't trust it anymore. Good call, bro. Good call.
Yep. Yeah, that was a good one. That was a good one. I'll switch it over to you because you're probably gonna take more trades.
Yeah, I think I think we are having the move now. We are respecting the 5 seconds trend line with this drop. This was perfect trend line respected. I'm gonna even put it here on the chart just so people can see what I think. So here, right, from here to here, and we can see that, oh my God, this was respected quite nicely. Okay, 9 EMA, 14 SMA, there is probably a 15-second also, yes. We can try maybe long here, and we're gonna aim for 7, 820s, 27, 820s, I'm long. I'm long. If we start pushing, I'm gonna put my stop loss just below this wicks here, this flag on 15 seconds that we are making, because if we're gonna push, we're gonna push right here. Now we have to reclaim this high. This is a nice close. I like this. Oh wow, let's go. Yes, yes, yes,
Wow.
yes, 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 yes. Thank you. 820. I will put 819 just so it does not edge me for a second. And you guys all left at the wrong moment. Uh, but yeah, this was wonderful, wonderful, wonderful scalp. And if I'm honest, this is now $1,000. Then sell. You're gonna take my full TP. You're gonna take my full TP, bro. Hit 1200 made. And need 53 more to fund this account. This was wonderful. This was freaking wonderful scalp. Five
Very
seconds, 5 seconds, 15 seconds, nothing else. Okay, we know we did the TA on the bigger time frames, so we had the idea of what's happening, right? But yeah, this was nice.
Yeah, really good execution, bro. You actually like,
This should be clipped actually.
yeah, you gotta
Yeah.
clip that one up. That was a killer trade right there. And it was
First the
what?
short and the exit with the short and re-enter of the long, like
Caught
change
it
of
both
the bias
ways.
quickly and target hit. And look, already 10 points rejection. Now we're gonna continue probably because this looks strong, this looks bullish. And now it's so easy to screw everything up before because of these $53 that I still need. But I'm not entering anything right now. I want to see the reaction of the 834, 830s. I marked it. I don't even know why. Oh, that's from yesterday, I believe, right?
Morning, boys.
Morning, sir. Yeah, that's the zone from yesterday. So let's see. Yesterday we had that zone. Let's see if we're gonna reject here again or we're gonna continue pushing. By the way, Carlos, congratulations on your TP yesterday. You called it. You said you're gonna wake up at the 600s. I guess you had to wait a little bit to get that, but spot on.
Very nice, bro.
Well, yeah, thank you, man. Donovan called it as well. confluence with that 6-1 and he called things.
Yeah, yeah. We already went through it. Yeah, but yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
We knew where
Still,
it was going. You was right. So I left the overnight trade and I woke up to $300. Same morning.
bro, you never said that. Congratulations. That's
Yeah.
also a nice thing.
Yeah.
Nice. I didn't wake up to anything other than a loss because of, like, you already know, NQ wants to come take me first and then leave.
Yeah.
And I gave it room to I thought I gave it enough room but no, like apparently not. So
So it's that this is like where you want to put your stop loss, put your entry.
yeah,
Yeah.
that's what I was thinking today. But yeah, you're right. Uh, it's all good. I made it back. I made it right back in the morning, so it's all right.
Yeah. The morning was like really brutal. I was asleep, but when I woke up, I was like, man, I missed a hell of a move.
Well, I only took that one trade and that's it. Made my money back. I mean, just caught whatever I could real quick at work and that's it. That was it. But yeah, it was yeah, it was a good move. From what I've been seeing this past, well, we're only 2 days into the week. The yesterday and today have been pretty, like, you could catch something nice, in the morning on the year.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah.
Keep an eye out for 827. 827 right here is there's a lot
Yeah.
of liquidity here.
Order
I went
filled.
little. I
Okay.
went very light long here for those $50, and we actually rejected to the T.
Yeah, I'm scalping a little short right here. Just a little. Just a
Just a little
little.
bit because I think we are coming back all the way to
Oh,
959.
yes.
Order filled.
There we go. That's all right. I just wanted a quick little $50 from
And
27 to 20. Took that 8 contracts.
nice. What time frame are you on? Have you guys checked out the 15? I know Donovan, of course, you check. You always on a 15.
I live on the 15. That's where I'm always.
Yeah. So you see that we broke the trend line, right?
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah,
That's exactly
he
what we
just
talked
said
about
it.
there.
Yep.
Oh, okay. For sure.
That was our signal for lungs.
Okay. I just got here a little bit late, and that I haven't pulled up my charts till literally when I came in with you guys, and I saw that nice bullish
Yeah.
candles on 15.
So we have targets to the upside. The first target is that we haven't hit already is 27,880 is the next target up. Then 27,980 is the final target to the upside. And then we're looking for a continuation to the downside. But we could get a surprise to 28,080. So pretty much the 80s of every 100 is a target. And if you get enough contracts and you can let it run, then you can just kind of you can scale out at that, at each 100 because that's where it's
What
going.
was, what was the very top of it that you called out?
The very top, the real top is 27,980. But the one that I don't think it'll go to is 28,080.
You
Like,
said that's the one you said you'd be surprised, right? That's the one.
yeah, I'd be
20.
bro.
surprised. Yeah,
Dude,
Okay.
exactly.
Just so I think I trust the 200 so much, bro. I think we can possibly come and touch it. And on the 15-minute, it's at one. So I'm so blind. It's at 102. 28 102. That's where the 200 EMA is at.
Okay,
you
so
wanna
that means 28. That's probably gonna go above and beyond my 28,080.
Mm,
Yeah,
you wanna hear a fun fact?
sure.
I went long, and I was like $4 above the target to fund the account. I pressed close, and I closed at 26,499.3, so 70 cents away from the target. 70 cents, bro.
Man, how are you gonna get 70 cents?
Yeah, I don't know, man. I will go with one contract, and when I do that, never.
Go with half a contract.
I'm gonna go one contract.
Nick,
You want to?
contract? You have a fever, bro?
Oh my god! And I got stopped. I lost 10. Bro,
It said,
okay.
"Oh, Nick's trying to get his last dollar." I
Hey.
think.
Hey, have you guys ever made? 'Cause I know you guys are. I know you guys are. But have you guys ever made? 'Cause I know you guys are. But have you guys ever made? 'Cause I know you guys are. But have you guys ever made? 'Cause I know you guys are. But have you guys ever made? like more than you're supposed to, because of the consistency or whatever, and then you're trying to lose some money back, right? And now
but
you
you
can't
can.
lose anything. Like you're it's just going like bro, it's happened to me where I can't freaking lose. I can't make the money. I can't lose the money back.
No, bro. I never tried to lose money. No, I never tried to lose money. I will just try to make more. No, I'm not losing money. No, bro. No, no, no.
I did that once and then
No, no, no.
Yeah, I've dealt with that plenty of times, Los. Like with my 150K accounts where I have to make 45,000 or I have to make 4,500 a day. I'll make 4,500 and like 80. And I'll be like, whoops, I gotta lose $80.
and and you end up making.
Yeah, and then you end up making another $100 and it's like shit. How do I lose? So like I'll just spam orders. I'll just like spam market orders, just opening and closing them to let the fees take it out.
Yeah. Oh, I got you. Okay, okay, okay.
Oh yeah, that's actually smart.
Mhm. Pay the fees, man.
Yeah.
See, from 70 cents now I have to make $70. That will be easier for me.
So I'm looking to go long at 777. I'm sorry, 27,780.
Mm-hmm.
I think that's where we're gonna come and retest before we take off. But it's very possible. Another thing, don't be surprised if we come all the way down and retest the trend line because we haven't done that.
Mm.
I was looking at 750, which I have an order right there sitting. See if it can come down all the way down there.
Yeah, good.
There we go. 70. Come on, 105. I'm out. That's it. There we go. There we go. Another account funded.
Another one.
Right.
Another one. Okay.
Mhm.
There we go. 780s. See, another push down. And this is again that 5 second trend line. I will give it a go here for a long. That's the same one that I scalped earlier. Let's see if it's gonna hold. It's not holding now. It gave us a rejection. We are at it right now. And we lost it.
I just scalped down to 780. Now let's see if we're gonna stabilize.
Come on, come feel me.
Carlos
False.
wants more fun. Buyers are defending these 80s. Never mind.
I'm giving it a go here. I'm long. 779.50 with 770 stop loss.
Okay.
5 minute volume came in strong, bro.
Yeah, the buyers aren't getting around here.
But then again, this is the bottom of the trend line. So started off new 5 minute.
Is Nick gonna cook?
Let's say this might have been just a fake out and continuation lower.
Damn.
Or this could be just a weak down week on the 5 minute and we blast off, but come on, let's go.
Come on, baby, because I got FOMOed out and I went in with like
If we
100.
reclaim the 790s, we're gonna go. There we go. Close it
There we
here.
go.
There we go. Nice. Very nice. Bro, this is the third scalp that picture perfect. I'm gonna let this to 850s, 840 something, and I'm gonna go like one trade. Just one trade to try make everything that I need. This will be zero or hero. Look at this. Look at this price action. Bro,
I
what
went
is
from
this?
being
25 points in 30 seconds up and down. Crazy. Crazy. Okay, let's hold this. Let's hold this. Right, but there's no way it will hold it like 3 times like that. I mean, there is way, but it doesn't look as nice.
just go long right here, bro.
I mean, I am still long, so let's see.
Donovan's a little too quiet. He's cooking up something.
I'm being patient, bro. I'm being patient. I got a couple accounts that, they're funded, but they're on the verge of not being accounts anymore. So I gotta like be careful. Gotta really
Are they going through a transition or something?
nah. They're going through a drawdown or something. It's cool. I got another account that's an eval, so I'm trying to focus on that one right now.
Come on, baby, give it a push.
Bro, another one, bro. This is the fifth like vehicle that is going like crazy through the village. Like, what the heck?
Some emergency going on.
Well, I don't know. In an hour. Nice. I should probably. I mean, I said I will just let it rip. Um, I need what? I need a little bit more than 2K to fund this one. Let's see if we can continue. We can do that. You know that usually I take profit at 1,000, so I might do that as well this time.
Fire about 780.
Come on, push here. This is again 15 seconds. No, am I on 15 or 5? This is 5. I'm kind of a bull flag. We could push. Come on, push here. Now, RSI strong together at the top, but are we gonna see a squeeze or not really? I'm gonna take my profits here. I'm gonna leave 3 runners. Stop, sell 3 in the profit here. Set limit, delete. Okay. Where we at right now? 25, 115. Okay, account is back alive. And then we're gonna do this 7. Now we need 1500. Now let's go then. 12. 12. This is gonna reject. This is gonna reject. No? Okay. Dang it. I was right, but I took my money. I was too cautious. And I did not add at the time. Okay.
1 minute got above the 200 and came to retest it, and it wants to take off again.
Yep. Absolutely.
This is a nice continuation setup right here, bro.
This was a consolidation,
Order
breakout,
filled.
retest, and potentially higher. I'm gonna add here. No, no. Uh-uh.
It's kind of it's like it's trying to get down from that trend line. How it's trying to break it.
Hmm.
I mean, it's too close to it.
Let's go push. Push. Oh, not, don't touch this. Okay. Push. That's
Order
lovely.
filled.
Where I'm at now, 25. Okay, so I did not lose much. I lost $100. And already making it back. I want to see a little bit more. Want to see a little bit more. And this is now, okay, this is now a higher high with the lower high here. I should have closed this. Bro, this is happening so fast. Um,
Appreciate the commentary on the small time frames because when you called out that bull flag, I made
mhm.
$100 real quick. So
Let's go, bro. Let's go. Nice.
we are very
Nice.
lucky to have someone who's mastered the smallest time frames.
Yeah, doesn't go smaller than this, no. But I
One
have to
six.
close this. This looks like it wants to come down. I'll put my stop loss here very, very super tight, like three points. Um, let's see. If we make, I'm on 5. If we make a lower high here, if we don't reclaim the high, money flow is coming down. We had the bear div. I'm gonna close this. I feel scared. Okay, I closed it and it pushed, but let's see here. Let's see here what happens. Um, this curvature here is telling me we might see just a flush down like to the 800s, maybe 780s. There we go. You see higher high, lower high, bear div, and now we are struggling. We came up almost to the top. We are struggling. We are fighting the 9 EMA, so we still might push. But if I look this money flow, RSI's spread, they are not tied together. Okay, now they're trying. Even 5 seconds cannot close above the previous week, so we just swept the highs, and let's see now. This is now make it or break it. Risk to
We have.
reward here is better for a short than long. Sorry, what?
I was just gonna say we have 30 minutes for a new 4 hour
Oh
candle.
yeah, yeah, yeah. Let's see. Let's see. What did I make here? Okay, 393. Okay, that's fine. Made some money. Here we go. Um, it's trying, but now we have even bear divs on the momentum and on the money flow in 5 seconds. If you ask me, we're gonna see a dip here.
I'm gonna long that dip,
Yeah,
on the
yeah,
dip and just
uh,
hold on to it because
probably.
I think 100 points is it's coming.
What did
Up
they just say? What did
there,
they just say?
and you called it, bro. I think I'm gonna let it do some more. We'll let it do some more. See if it's got some more in there. 'Cause I want to see.
Mm,
I'll be right.
yes, sir.
Wife's calling. I'll be back.
Yeah, say hi. Okay. Okay.
Oh, my phone's charged again. All right.
Charge. Whoa, that was fast charging, bro.
Yeah, man. Got a
That was
lot
super fast charging.
on 17. It's good for something.
Mm,
Some Okay, okay, okay. A little further down.
Yeah,
Can
yeah, we are coming. We are coming. We are coming. There we go. There
I
we
want
go.
to set the 80s,
There,
bro.
there
Here
we
we
go. Mamma mia.
go, bro.
I'm killing it today.
You are.
I don't even want to say no, but this was wonderful. Okay.
You're on fire, bro. You're on fire.
Half an hour more, and we called it. This hour will give us a move, and it gave us the move.
If we can get to anything around 785, I'm excited to press this.
I agree. We got it, bro. Exactly what you said. The low was, look at this push, man.
Yeah,
The
the
low was
780. Oh my God.
80.
Buyers are too aggressive, bro. They're not even letting up.
I cannot even mark the candle here. How small the time frame is. You you want to know what the low was of this pullback?
What's that?
785 0.
Come on.
So
It happened too fast.
okay, and this might be the opportunity, maybe.
Yeah.
Now I'm curious. But trigger wave. I think we're gonna go down. Trigger wave on 5. Trigger wave on 5. Well, well.
Mm-mm-mm.
I'm gonna go long. I'm long.
Okay. You're
It might backfire on me, like stop me, and if it stop me, I will still be green, way green.
mm,
But this might be it. Let's see.
mm. Look at that push down. That's good.
Yeah, push up, push down, push up, push down. Let's see. Let's see. Not over yet, but we're definitely coiling up for a move up or down.
Yeah, man, it's up. I mean, the buyers are so aggressive. When they hit that 85, did you see all that?
Yeah, crazy, crazy. What was that like from 85 to I'm stopped out to 26, so 50 points,
Yeah,
40 points in
quick,
30 seconds.
real quick. So yeah, it was like you
Okay.
hit a spring, and that spring got way too tense.
hmm
Oh,
Like the geysers or how they're called, those warm
mm,
warm water in Iceland or where, like I
gotta
don't know what I'm talking about, but okay.
yeah, getting into jargon, bro. You're getting into jargon. Oh man, but fuck, we made a higher low.
Yeah, we did, and we are pushing, so it just stopped me and it went. So I want to go long. This is giving me short vibes.
Yeah, me too. I think we're trying to break the support so we can push down to the 80s flat, maybe a little into the 70s, and we'll be happy that we waited if it hits.
I'm short. Dang it, I'm short.
Oh, okay. He said he wants
Just
short.
but no. Look. Yeah, my bad. My bad. Okay, two losses in a row. Quickly. Well, 24-8. I was four. Okay, I'm still up like 300 something bucks. Now let's see. Now we have to be smart here. Now I have to be smart here. This is giving me such a short vibe. Um, because we did not take these highs. We tried one, two, three times, rejected, came down, came up, and now we are holding here at 800. So this might go either way.
Yeah, I'm just not seeing a reversal candle. I guess we're not looking for a reversal, but we're just looking for a pullback. But it's probably on a
Well,
lower
well
time.
now I'm long. Dang it, I'm long. Let's push. Come on.
Come on,
Money
back.
flow on 5 coming up. Now we have to reclaim those 25, let's say 30s. If we close whatever candle above the 30s, we're gonna push. I just don't know until where, probably the 80s, as you said, 27, 8, 80s.
Let's go.
because the 20s now we bounced around the 20s, 30s, 800. So let's see the 80s now. Let's
I
see
got
the
filled at
80s.
805.
Nice.
That's good. You got that in. I'm on the sidelines. I'm on the sidelines. I didn't get in. It's about to take off, and I didn't get in.
I mean, got it.
Donovan said he wants to go at 785, and the low of the candle was 785. It
Oh,
just
crap.
happened too quickly.
Wow.
So quick, I couldn't even. It just like flashed on my screen for a second. I thought I'd have time to press a button, but I should have set a limit order.
Yeah.
Yeah,
That's what
that was one of the rare occasions where the limit order would work. If there was enough liquidity, who knows? Maybe
Yeah,
you would get
I might have
partially
only
filled
got
on
to
it.
it for a little. Yeah.
Are we gonna make a nice push right here? We have to come. We have
I
to
think
come to
we
that.
could. I think we could. We might see another like a retest of something lower. But if we make a lower low here, then I wouldn't expect a bounce just yet. But this is looking promising, and we should push now.
Yep.
Like
Yep.
now.
We broke it up. We broke it up. Here come the 80s.
Uh, where is my account now?
Well, we got room to run up because we're very far extended from the hourly trend
Five
line.
three. Okay, yeah, let's go. Okay.
Yeah, we're going up. We got a couple hundred points to go. So I don't need
Yeah.
it. I need some of it though.
Every time I go in with one contract, he just wants to run all nice and stuff. But when I
Yep.
go with five,
Yeah.
with one contract, I'm up 105 right now.
I took partial profits here. I'm leaving 5 runners. Leaving 5 runners, stop loss in the profit. I am back where I was earlier. That's good. So I made that last loss back and $100 more. Now we can look for potential add. We broke the highs. We are retesting that highs that we just took. This is looking promising, if I'm honest.
Order filled.
Right, I'm in. I got in at 38 somehow.
Nice.
Uh,
Let's ride it all the way up to 959.
We broke out. We're retesting the breakout. I was just trying to touch up in there somewhere. Now
Add it here.
gotta deal with the drawdown for a second.
Add it here, but I'm gonna close this. I don't wanna. I just did good. Let's see. I need 1030 still, but let's see what will happen here.
Wow, really? We're up like that. Coming down to ooh, okay. My stop is at 25. Shit. I don't think it'll get there, but all right, let's see what happens. Okay, yeah. That's the push I'm looking for. I need more. Damn it. Damn it. Are you gonna push or not?
Look, we have 20 minutes still in this hour candle, so we might slow down also here. And let me zoom out a little bit because I've been on seconds time frame now for quite some time. But look at the 5 minute perfect bull flag.
Yep. Look at the 15 too.
Yeah, so
Yeah,
we
that's
might
all.
see continuation at least 900 or what you said 880s. So I
Uh,
will be looking in what 5 minute is closing in now, like when now, and this is about to push, I think.
I have my stop at 816 in profit, just in case. I don't know. This thing wants to start acting crazy, but I think. I mean, I don't think. I mean, you guys are seeing. We're gonna push. We're
push
gonna
it.
push.
It's push.
Look at the 1 hour, bro. Look at the 1 hour. The 1 hour is very far extended from the top of the trend
Yeah.
line. So we have enough room to run up.
Let me check 1 hour. And bro, what did we say just for the record? What did we say before previous 1 hour candle close? If it closes like this, the 1 hour candle could be bullish, and that's exactly what happened. One thing to notice that we are right now at one hour 9 EMA. So let's be careful. They are spaghetti, as you say, like it's all twisted here, so it's consolidation area, so it's not a clear like nine EMA rejection, but just for the record. By the way, good morning, everyone. Good evening, everyone. Say hello, say good morning, say good evening, say what are you trading if you're trading. If you're not trading, tell us why you're not trading. Yeah, don't be just stealing good trades
That
and
was the fastest
levels.
ever you talk. No.
See, I start talking, half of the people go.
They want to be a fly on the wall. They don't want when the fly on the wall sees you.
Right, and this guy said, I mean, that's it has nothing to do. But now, when you said like, fly on the wall, like this guy said, like one Finnish rally driver, like a good rally driver has dead flies on his side window, going sideways
Is that a
constantly.
saying? Wait, is that a saying? You,
Yeah,
the driver has flies on his window?
yeah, but like a good rally driver, they
Stop field.
they drive sideways constantly.
Oh,
It's
what's the
not on the windshield, but on the window,
To the
the
window.
side window.
Oh,
To the
oh,
window.
got stopped out, guys.
I'm
It
about
hurt.
to get
That,
stopped in profit. But oops, I did. Dang.
bro.
Whatever.
See that coming, to be honest.
Told you just in case they wanted to come and act crazy. Can we get some orders and they're gonna take off right now?
Yeah, I'm looking for the entry long here
Yeah,
somewhere.
too.
1 minute EMA
Order
fails.
filled.
30 seconds is giving me a
It was
dumperoni vibes, but it might be a fake out too.
just the start of a 5 minute push.
Order
Yeah,
filled.
that's what I was thinking, but we just took the 5 minute low, the previous candle 5 minute low. So this might have been. Oh, we are pushing. Okay, I'm like, dang it.
Wow, you
I
saw
was
it.
think
It just came to
I
take off.
was thinking
Bad.
20
Looking bad.
seconds too long, bro.
It's crazy.
I scalped like maybe 5 points. Then it went up another 15. So ouch.
Shit.
Ouch.
Look at this fucking assholes, man. Dang.
Oh, Carlos, you mean to tell me you put your stop in profits? No, not you.
Yesterday, I wasn't.
Stop in the pocket. He has pockets full of stops.
Nah, for real. NQ definitely just came and shook it down, bro. Big Debo energy.
Let's go. I go along here. Oh my God, perfect. Oh my
Oh,
God. Oh my
wow,
God.
look at
One
that.
time when slippage actually did not screw me. But I have to manage this very, very quickly because this was super aggressive. I want to see just another push. Don't go down. No, no, no. Don't stop me. Don't stop me. Hold here and push.
Can we get a higher
Push.
level?
Push. Push.
All right.
Push. I'm out one contract, two contract.
Order
I'm out.
filled.
Okay. But I'm ready to go again. I think I want to do it again. Oops, I did it again. Let's go. Push now. You came down to the support. If you lose this, it's gonna be a short that I'm not gonna play. If I get stopped here, it's gonna be again second loss in a row. Yes, I know I have to be careful again. Still green, account still okay.
This fucking candle is worse.
Section 1 minute.
Stop
Fancy. Oh
field.
my gosh. Ah.
Oops, I just got filled.
I mean, I said that 30 seconds is giving me dump vibes with this money flow. We are grinding higher, money flow coming lower. That's usually a dump. Um,
We have cool volume on a 5 minute. So it matched the last three candles of that of the bullish volume we had. But I am long here. See, I have very tight top.
Feel my third.
nice. I just did not. I was ready. I did not press
Let's
play.
go.
But mm, mm,
Yeah, I don't trust this shit.
nah, me neither. Me neither, to be honest. Because even on 5 seconds, bro, that support that we had, we lost it, and now we rejected 3 times on that same trend line. On 5 seconds, I know, but it's working. So let's see if we can push. I'm long. Come on.
Oh, I got stopped in profit for $15. Let's go.
I'm putting the entry at 80.
Fuck this. This thing we actually might just drop now. The
Yeah,
ball,
yeah.
the ball beat. So the 5 minute volume, it came higher than the last previous four candles.
Yeah, I definitely want to see what's up with 780. I'm chilling.
Those are the 820s here too. So yeah, if we lose this, it's 780s. I'm gonna be ready to participate if I get stopped. But it seems we want to
Oh, the 15 minutes.
push.
Guess I want a toy train for Christmas, but
Oh ho ho, oh ho ho. Good morning, Randall. How are you doing? Morning, boys. Well, 2 days I saw I did not participate, but this look a bit critical. Agree and agree. Yeah.
yeah.
We scalped some nice trades today, yesterday too. And actually yesterday we called it. I don't know if you were still here when we called it, but we called it. So now we are just waiting to see what we're gonna do. We are long while seeing that this wants to go down again, so just playing. I will I? I will let it rip. Come on. But 13 minutes until this hour closes, you know. Okay, I like this. I like this. Let me just see quickly. 24.9, 25.5, 25.5. Again, some bear divs on 5 seconds. Come on, just go.
It does.
I'm out. I'm out. I don't trust it. I'm out. Yeah, good exit. Good call. This was a good call again. Good call. I'm working with this freaking trade-away chart setup. Not sure I like it. Well, I understand you. I did not like it either. At first, then I made some settings. I like it more. Now I cannot use it on my iPad, only on the laptop. My laptop is not working at the moment. So yeah,
Is that us losing the 20s? Are we coming to the 80s now?
seems so. Seems so. Seems so. I will be ready to short this. Come on, to the 80s. To the 80s, to the floor.
I was gonna say that. That's funny. I was thinking that.
Order filled.
We hang out a lot lately. We started thinking the same.
Mm-hmm.
I did something real risky. I'm shorting this thing.
Yeah, me too. Right now.
You guys are leaving me behind, bro. What the? Let me go with you guys.
This is not safe, bro. It's
Never
not
mind.
safe.
I don't want
Honestly, don't try this
to.
at home.
The 15 minutes still super indecisive.
Everything is indecisive. This is just scalps. Because we get like 40, 50 moves in seconds. So if it's gonna play out, it's gonna play like here. Oh, look at this trigger wave forming. Yes, we're coming down. 5, 3, 2, 1. Confirmed red dot. Look at this drop now. Look at this drop.
The 5 minute candles ain't moving.
Look at this now. Look.
Am I lagging?
Take a look.
Need
Take a
more. I
look
need
now.
more.
Yeah. Give it.
Oh, fudge.
Give it
Blood,
a
blood.
second. Give it a second. Oh, now we have different trigger wave. Let me
Come on.
just
Give me some shorts. Give me some shorts. I need more blood. Get in there.
just a temporary blood. Just a small cut.
Just a
Paper
little.
cut. Just a paper cut.
Those hurt, bro.
Yeah,
Op,
nah.
op, op, op. Um,
Got my hands all cut up all over right now. For real, because I don't. It's super hot at work, and I don't like to use. I just get like, I don't know. I can't do it, so I don't use gloves right now.
mm,
I have cuts all over my hands. Huh?
been there, done that.
And
Oh
you
man,
just drop this shit. Come on.
Nope,
I don't know. I
nope.
don't know. Told
We
me
God,
we
the track,
invalidated the setup.
fuck.
bro.
Shit.
Yep, I'm out. I'm
No,
out.
don't do this. Don't do this. We can talk
Stop
about
filled.
it. Ow.
Oh shit, man. Fuck. Hey, I'm gonna go, bro, cause I gotta drive on Thursday back to Cali, and I'm trying to go to sleep the earliest I can so I can catch up. Just get some, as much sleep as I can before that drive. So,
Get it. Get you
yeah.
some sleep, man. Thanks for swinging through.
All right, bro. You guys have a good session, man.
You too, bro. Have a good one.
Have a good night and have a good day, Nicholas. Peace out.
Thank you. Peace.
Yeah.
Yeah, I knew it was a bad idea to short that.
No, it was a good idea. Risk management was there. I mean, risk to reward. So
Yeah, risk to reward was there. I mean, we need to go down to the 80s.
when we gonna go there, you will see now. Look,
Yeah, it just had to stop me out first. So that's all.
once.
So if we can get to these 80s, then we could pop out, be done with this thing.
Yeah, I went in again. And what if what? Oh, it's lagging so much.
Yeah, it's laggy as fuck. Where was this when I was short? Where was this?
Yeah, but as you said, probably we were not the only ones who are short at the moment, so I had to take some fuel.
Yep, everybody couldn't come along for the ride, right? So that's all right. We know where to go along at. We know exactly where to go along. So when you get to those fucking actually I can't even do 4 contracts. I'm gonna have to do 3. So laggy, bro.
Yeah, but this is good. This is looking good. This is looking good. Come on, come on, drop it here. 807. Come on, drop it, drop it. I should start scalping this. Nah, come on, let's go.
More. All we need is a 780. Man.
Yeah, I have TP 781.
And you can take it.
Looking nice, looking nice. Come on. This is what I'm doing, seeing if I can set it up as I like it anyway. I hope you guys have done well. Well, thank you. We did, yes. We did quite good actually today, I must say. And yesterday too. Yesterday was not a bad session at all. And regarding trade weight, yeah, I'm not sure what to say. For charting, I still prefer trading view. Uh, oh my God, what is this now? Come on, bro. Can we see a dump finally? I will close this, bro. I don't like it. I will take my little money. Um, maybe go in again, but this is BS. 5 minutes until the close. This was a good close again. It was up 700. I could have made that, but okay, I guess.
808. Oh, goodness, what are we doing?
Now we're in the chop city here.
Don't want to get chopped up, but we know where we're going. We're going up, but gotta get a good enough entry on the low side. Man. You know what? I'm doing a limit order. Gotta just leave a limit order and get filled. What this market is for.
Went short here again. We have this trend line that could be rejected, and then we finally see 780s, maybe, maybe not, who knows. But I went for a short here. We don't have much more time left for the session. So this is for you guys, entertainment purposes only. Don't do this at home. This is not a financial advice.
If you're a billionaire, then just donate to our channel. No, it's okay.
There we go. There we go. Well,
Yeah, we're definitely coming to the 80s. We got no limit order waiting, but I can't guess where the top's gonna be in this. I guess you know what? I bet. Curious.
oh, come on. No. Come back down. I was ready to take partials, then I adjusted my full TP and we went back up. Can we go back down? We can. Okay. Well, I'm in short, so I need to buy. There we go. Nice. 1,000. I'm taking. No, I rejected because of the limit orders here. Buy 20 out. Let's go. Where is the account? 25,960. 300 more. 300 more. That would be too much. 300 with 5 contracts. Limit by 5 at the 80s. We are coming down. We're gonna put 81.25. Whatever it gives, it gives. Stop loss has to be stop by 5 in the profits, Carlos style. And now let's see. Let's play it out. Let's play it out.
There we go. Okay, we're at the 200 EMA on the 1 minute. 9 EMA on the 15 minute. So this is probably, we're almost at a place where I want to go long. I want the 80s. I want the 80s really bad.
Yeah. But
Starting to
even by looking at the market structure here, 80s are
Order filled.
probable here. 12 more points.
Yeah, the risk reward's good enough. I'm in longs, but I didn't go full size. I'm like a third of my normal trade size.
So you still have room to add.
Yeah.
What did Randall say? Give me a second. I saw a comment. Asia swings always. They take you down, then bring it up. Rinse and repeat. Yeah. Rinse and repeat. That's it.
Sitting that's all. I'll take it. Take what Asia's got to give. Pause.
Peanut butter.
Peanut butter. Okay, all right. Okay. I'm in at 94, 75. Is it enough? I really thought we'd come lower.
Yeah, I think we will, bro.
Yeah, me too. That's why I'm about to scalp this and add it to my psych. All right. They're gonna take it from me before I can scalp it. A little pushy. Push up. Give me a little push up.
Push. I added here, so 80s will be my full TP, and I should be good. If we go down, if we don't, I'm gonna still be good. My stop loss actually is in profit. But come on. What today? What today? What the session, and not what today. It's still morning. Let's go. Come on. Oh, sheesh. This was 80 what? 86, 87. So We don't even have to touch the 80, right? 82. So you know what? Okay. Okay. Come on. Yep. Let's go. I'm out. I'm out. I'm out. That's 550. I will close this. I don't want to play. Bro, can you imagine this? Three bucks away from target.
Stop filled.
Three
Oh,
bucks. 3 bucks. 3 freaking bucks.
dollars away. Let's see what we got here.
Um,
Oh my gosh, it's so laggy.
$3. Come on down. $3. I need $3.
Shit, I got a bunch of contracts at 77. I don't think I want that though. On the contract, I can't even afford to do that. All right, let's stick to. Got to come back. Got to come back on this thing. Let's see. 78. Code rebuild it.
Come on. 5.
Oh,
Order
How
filled.
much is that?
all right. I'm in at 80.
What do I need? 46. I need $4. I need $4. Somehow I got stopped, bro. Now I need $30. Crazy. Crazy. What did I do? Oh,
There's
what did I say? I need what? 30. I need $30. Come on. Drop it here. Let's go. These are the 80s actually. So why am I shorting this? This was my full TP. I'm getting stopped again. Baba, mommy. $80. Okay, it's doable. That's doable. You're gonna see like 10 points move. Come on.
we're getting a big pop. Big
I'm
pop.
going here. Come on.
I think from here we could just go.
As I just said, don't do this at home.
Don't try this at home. We're looking for.
Trading futures with Rose. Well, welcome. Use MES. No, thank you. I mean,
Yes,
yeah.
is definitely the easy button, so I understand where
Mhm.
you're from.
You're not wrong by any mean. But we got stuck with MNQ and we are doing well. But look at this. Look, see what happens to me. I was $3 away from my TP, from my target. Now I'm 150, and I'm gonna make 150 easier than $3, which is crazy. Which is crazy, bro. Makes no freaking sense.
Wow, I got stopped out. Seriously,
Yeah,
good entry. Still got stopped.
Stop filled.
bro.
Stop filled.
Whoa. Okay, we're gonna need to revisit this. We're gonna need to revisit this. I would like to get only because you need a small amount. Yes, you are completely right. But if I switch to MES right now after more than 2 months doing only whoa, what the heck? Um, I'm not able to switch right now to MES. Like it will just burn me. I would no. Uh,
Yes, I used to trade MES. It's great. It's great.
no,
But
it's amazing. Yeah, but we got stuck with one ticker, and I really don't feel like changing right now.
yeah, my brain is like wired to trade NQ.
Yep, yep, and I'm okay with this. I mean, I funded 2 accounts yesterday, today one, and now I was like $3 away from funding this one, so it's completely fine. Um, just a little bit of patience, see what it wants to do here. and it will be just fine. I'm gonna go short here.
Yeah,
If I get stopped here, I'm gonna call it a day. This is just the last chance, and I probably
filled.
short at the bottom. That will give us a bounce. I have a feeling, but no, look at this curvature. Come on. 38, 46, 10 points. 10 more points if possible. If not, also good. I'm gonna finish the account later on in a day. I still have the whole day in front of me, so however, uh,
short at 7.
off. And what did I just say? Can we get back in green? No, it's super laggy, so it doesn't show green, although it was green. There we go. There we go. Come on.
Give us 30. Give us 30. Give us 30s.
Bro.
There's nothing stopping you from going into
Bro. Oh my god, did you see this? Did you see this? 250, not 260. Okay.
It's gotta come down. It doesn't have to come down, but it should come down
It should come down.
to the 30. It was a nice little drop. What are you stopping here for?
I'll give it another go. I know I said it's the last thing, but this is just how NQ works. You lose some and then you make it back. After every winning trade on this account, I gave it back, then I made $200 more. Then I gave it back, then I made 200 more. Then I gave it back, then I did again a couple of hundreds more.
Nice
and my last winning trade should have been full TP. I did not wait. I wasn't patient enough, so I went scalping mode, full scalping mode, 5 seconds. Last half an hour more, I've been on 5 seconds time frame, and it played out nicely. So just let's take the lows, 240. Let's go. That's it, and that's how you do it. 542, another account funded. Let's freaking go.
No, that's right, bro.
And this is the perfect time to call
Order
it a day,
filled.
I think. Call it a
Yep.
stream. An amazing session today, probably one of the best, if not the best, execution-wise. TA-wise, we had good ones. Yesterday was a good one too. 2 weeks ago, the whole week, the whole July actually, we've been saying that this might happen, and it did happen. Even before July started, I believe. We said that we will probably have a pullback on the bigger time frames from that pennant that was happening here in the range. And then we lost the range. We came for a retest. I still have this zone marked, and we can see and all these zones were marked like in front, not after the move happened, but before the move happened. Even the high of the range here, we had several rejections. Then we came down to this zone that was on the chart for weeks, the yellow one, the high volume node. Then we came up, retested the bottom of the range, and since then we're coming down. Then even here we had a nice rejection from this zone. This bigger zone, bigger volume node did not provide as much support as I thought it will, but not a surprise because it's outside of the value area, so it's just less important, I would say. Now we are coming down. Yesterday we called 600s. Where did we bounce from? 612, what was the low? 600 actually, exactly right. What was the low? 603. I mean, perfect. And this morning, today, I marked this 1 hour wick here, and we actually started the stream
Order
here.
filled.
Then if we zoom in closer, we can see we talked about this double bottom on the 5 minute, and even on 1 minute
Order
we
filled.
had. Sorry, it's a little bit noisy here. So on 1 minute we had the bull diff, lower low with the higher lows on the momentum wave on the market cipher with money flow coming up. Came perfectly to the zone from yesterday again, rejected. We scalped. I at least scalped the heck out of these moves ups, down, like upside, downside. And there we go. 3 funded accounts in 2 days. Not bad at all.
Not bad at all.
So yeah, thank you for joining. Make sure you press that like button. Make sure you subscribe. Trading futures with Rose. Welcome. I believe this is your first time here, so welcome, Randall, our good friend here too. Thank you for joining in. And yeah, you have something more to add, bro?
Just, nothing that we do here is financial advice. If you're looking for financial advice, look for a financial advisor. However, we are here to show you what we would do in the situations that the market presents. So, everything we're doing here, I'll switch over real quick. Uh,
Mm-hmm.
Find in the red E.
Oh
If
yeah.
you're interested in trading with us, there's a link in the description where you can join and become a member of the Red E for $99 a month. Um, we kill it here in futures, but let's say you might not, be someone who regularly trades futures. You can always come in and trade options with us during the New York session. Or if you see us trading options, you can kind of base your futures thesis off of some of the options decisions that we make. Just today, a lot of our people in here, me included, made plenty of money today trading just options. Yeah, we had some people make, just a couple $100, $50. It was really choppy today in New York. Nvidia, 100% on Nvidia. Uh, we'll be talking about made some more money on that. Money markets is always making big money. He made $140 on Oscar, a healthcare stock we be trading in the Red E. Um, yep, Mark this morning, the owner of the Discord got in calls with me this morning, got paid. I called out an amazing call this morning and made easily $250. Spent 250 to make 250. I was telling my friend who doesn't trade that in simple language, and then made a little bit more money. Anyway, this is the Red E, where we trade live every day. Definitely hop in here if you're interested in joining. Just check the link in the description below. It's $99 a month. You can make that back in a single day. But if you're interested in just getting the free tips, then all you got to do is tune in here tomorrow night at midnight. And that's pretty much how it goes. Just remember, the price of patience is always cheaper than the price of regret.
Yes, sir. So have a good one, everyone. See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
Peace.
Huh. All right. Doing the thing. Not doing the thing. All right. This was a test. So we're doing a little test here of our new thing.
Upgrading life. Upgrading life.
Upgrading, make it all better for everybody. But right now, let's see what we got here. All right, let's see how it goes. However, we are going to show you what we would do.
They're all
Okay, cool. So now I muted up.
Let's see. Let's wait. Let's wait.
We did it, bro.
Just don't listen to the stream.
Yeah, listen to the stream while it's live. But now it should be paused. Like our favorite part. This is how it should sound.
Oh, wait, we did it. Wait.
Okay. Yeah, now it's just that. Wait a minute.
This is how.
Oh, okay.